off for the first flight. Also, if you guys have the Radio Master Boxer, make sure this antenna right here at the top is always screwed in. Alright, well, I honestly have no idea what happened there. Thinking it was some sort of signal issue, but drone's okay. Just a little bit of mud and stuff. Everything else seems fine. Where I did smash the front screen on my action camera, but it's not too bad. And also shattered my ND filter. That's easy fix, or easy replacement, I should say. Christian's first pack in, he went and power looped that arch right there, landed on top of it unintentionally with enough force to completely take off the negative of his thing. So If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. Well, I think she's good. Oh. Wasn't that just fucking wonderful? If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. I'll show you guys what happened. That happened. Oh, dude. See how she does the one antenna.
God, I won't talk back. Faith is dying, the tears are signs she's going off track. Praying to a God, I won't talk back, won't talk back. Down on the knees here, praying to a God, I won't talk back. Hey. Friction underwater, she's breaking down, tearing at the border. Too deep to save herself, she takes a pill, it seems to help. Close her eyes and picture standing at the altar. She's praying to a God, I won't talk back. Her faith is dying, the tears are signs she's going off track. Praying to a God, I won't talk back, won't talk back. Down on the knees here, praying to a God, I won't talk back. Hey. Friction underwater, she's breaking down, tearing at the border. Too deep to save herself, she takes a pill, it seems to help. Close her eyes and picture standing at the altar. God and won't talk back. Faith is dying, the tears aside, she's going off track. Pray to a God and won't talk back, won't talk back. Down to the knees and pray to a God and won't talk back.